Hey guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to use BlockVision's development suite to increase your efficiency and make it easy to manage all your dApps in one place. To start off, you want to go to blockvision.org and hit the dashboard button in the top right. Then you want to make sure you're signed in and connected with a Metamask wallet. And we have tutorials on how to set up a new account and connect your wallet if you haven't done so already. On the app screen here, you can see I've already got some apps created and there's an associated API key with each of them. You can create up to 5 apps for free on BlockVision when you sign up. Here I'm on a premium account, so I have 17. And scrolling down, you can see the monitor dashboard. This records every API call you've requested, and we have details such as sent time, app name, chain and network, the method used, the error code. 200 is successful, so in this case you can see all my recent ones are okay. And response time. If this is a little high, you might want to increase your gas fees. We also have filters at the top on the app, method, error code, and time range. So you could filter on specific apps if you're interested, or specific methods. Or if you just want to look at the failed ones, you can just select these guys and from all time. And you can see there's some different error codes here. So now we can move on and take a look at the stats page, which is going to show the API call analytics. So it's quick to see the health and activity of your app. So you can see when is the peak time for your users throughout the day. Further down we have the method rankings, which show the top 10 methods called by each app, and the top 10 by compute time. As you see here, estimating gas fees is kind of quite intensive, where getting a simple Ethereum balance is fairly trivial. And again, we have filters here if necessary. Next up we have the rate limit requests, which show the amount of requests over time. For a basic account, you're allowed up to 200 requests per minute, and if you need more, you can reach out directly to the team, and we can discuss upgrading to a premium account. Moving on, we can go to the console. Here you can test out specific apps and methods. So I'm going to go to the Ethereum mainnet, and I'll just run the chain ID. It's a fairly simple one. Here you can see the result. It's going to be in hex format, so if we copy that, we have this handy tool up here which will just convert it. So we'll paste the hex in, and you see Ethereum mainnet is on chain ID of 1. But that's not the most exciting example, so let's do something a bit more interesting. Let's say I want to see the top holders of a given NFT collection. So I'm going to go for the OpenSea top accounts. And now it's asking me for the contract address. You can easily get this on OpenSea for any specific NFT collection. I've got one saved here from the Bored Ape Yacht Club. It's got a lot of data, it's quite interesting, so let's paste that in. Hit send request. You can see instantly we get some interesting data back. And we can see the top holder here. He has an account value of around 4,000 Ethereum with only 92 NFTs. While second place, this guy has just less than 4,000 Ethereum of total value, but he has a whopping 200 NFTs. And yeah, we can scroll down, we can see there's about 20 others in this list. The guy at the bottom has a value of 700 Ethereum, not too shabby for only having 5 NFTs. So scrolling back up, you can see we have quite a lot of different methods here, way too much to cover in one video, so we're going to have upcoming tutorials on some of these. And of course you can check the Gitbook or Discord community if you need any help or further explanations on each of them. Now let's take a look at the Mempool. So this is essentially a waiting room for on-chain transactions. There's 3 statuses a transaction can have. You can have mined, which is essentially a completed transaction, dropped, or in other words failed, or pending, which basically means it's still processing on the chain. You might need to just wait a little while for that one to complete. Here you can see I've just got some recent mined ones and a few recent failed ones. I don't have any pending. If I were to open my Metamask and send from this account to this account, you would see it show up here. And then if you don't want to be staring at this screen all day, you can get notified directly when a transaction you send is completed or dropped. So if you use the Webhook service we have here, you can connect each of your apps to Discord, Telegram or Slack. It's super easy. Just create a new one and paste the Webhook URL the media platform you're using has provided you. We have in-depth tutorials on each of these and documentation on our Gitbook also. And the last one for the day is the smart alerts. Here you have wallet tracking and NFT alerts. You can create up to 5 on a basic account and use them for many reasons. We've thought of a few already, such as tracking whale accounts holding huge sums of tokens. You can find out when they're buying or selling and use that information to hedge your own position on the market. Or maybe you want to track a new NFT collection because you want to buy in eventually, but you think the current price is a little high. You can use these alerts to get sent every transaction you care about directly to all your usual places, even to your phone with push notifications. So even if you're on the move, you can always stay up to date. With how volatile the crypto space is, we can see this is only a huge benefit. And there are many more use cases out there which we haven't even thought of, and we can't wait to see what everybody comes up with. That's it for this overview. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out our other tutorials for more in-depth guides. Cheers.